you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up a brand new box to our channel. It's called the Meraki box, and I have it right here. Super cute packaging. So it's actually called the Meraki box Canada, but it does ship to both the US and Canada. So this is a bi-monthly subscription box, and you know I love bi-monthly boxes. And they actually have two different options. So for the November box, the like male version was called like Movember box, so it had stuff to do with like growing a mustache and beard, I believe. And then I got the pumpkin spice box. I am so pumped. I've been like raving about pumpkin spice. I totally jumped on that bandwagon. Like before this year, I never was like one of those people like getting my PSL or pumpkin spice latte every day, but now I love it. And I love like pumpkin scented everything. Like I just am so thrilled to see what is inside this box. So like I said, this is a bi-monthly box. It comes from Canada, and when you go on their website, which of course I will list down below, it lists the pricing in Canadian dollars. So I wrote it down here. In Canadian dollars, it is $69 every other month. The Movember box is a little bit less. I'm not going to get into detail about that one today because that's not what we're unboxing, but that link I'm leaving down below, you can check it out there. But 69 Canadian comes out to be about a little less than $52 every other month. There also is a shipping charge as well. So I'm going to leave all of that information down below. But what this box is, well, there's a theme obviously each box, but what they do is they feature like small businesses that are local in Canada. So I think that is really awesome. So I can't wait to see what's inside. Before I grab my scissors and open this box, I just want to remind you all that there are several giveaways going on in our channel. So if you have not yet entered, I always leave those links down below. But yeah, let's get started and get unboxing. And if you have any questions about this box, if I accidentally left anything out, just leave a comment down below and I will definitely get back to you. I can't remember if I stated this in the beginning of the video or not, so sorry if I'm being repetitive, but this was sent to me free for review. It's not sponsored and there's not an affiliate link for this box or anything like that. Just want to be transparent, but I just got the tape open. Let's see what it looks like. Equally as cute on the inside. And there's a little note here that says thank you. Oh, they gave us a coupon code. I love that. Thank you so much. It says coupon code for family, friends, and followers. It is Kitty Boxes 15 to save 15% on all of the Meraki subscription boxes. Thank you so much for providing that for us. That is so amazing. I love when I can get codes for you guys. So I will leave that down below with the link. That's so nice of them. A nice sweet note. But underneath the note, so there's some tissue paper, which is super cute, and then we've got our brown swigglies, and I just got a whiff of pumpkin spice. So we're just gonna get right into it. The first thing I see on top, this is a coffee body scrub. It's organic coffee. It says may your coffee be strong and your scrub game be on point. Life happens, coffee helps. And then it talks more about it there. This is coffee body scrub and of course the scent pumpkin spice latte. I can smell it from here, oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like. And this is by Georgie & Co. And it talks about the ingredients on the bottom too. So it looks like this is made with only a few simple ingredients, which is great. So there's organic coffee grinds, organic brown sugar, organic coconut oil, cinnamon, vitamin E, sea salt, and essential oils. It smells so good. Next thing I'm pulling out here, ooh, this is by Bubble Bar, and it's homemade pumpkin pies, handmade with love by Bubble Bath and Soap Co. So this is a Bubble Bar by Bubble Bath and Soap Co. So I think this is like a bath bomb. In Canada, do you call them bubble bars? Oh my god, this smells so good. You guys, this is so cute. It's shaped like a piece of pumpkin pie, and it smells like one. It smells so good. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like too cute, I almost don't want to use it, but I definitely will because I can't get enough of pumpkin spice. Oh, this smells so amazing. I love that everything's pumpkin spice. Next up, more pumpkin spice. We've got from small batch soaps, handmade soap, made from shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and avocado oil. And of course the scent is pumpkin spice. This is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, sulfate-free, free of all the yuckies. Here is the packaging. There's what the soap looks like. Let's see. So on the top, it looks like it's like whipped cream or something like that, and then it has a brown base. I'm gonna keep it in the box. It smells so good. Oh, I might be the most excited about this. This is also by Small Batch Soaps. This is a moisturizer. Again, made with shea butter, coconut oil, and avocado oil in the scent pumpkin spice. So I can't wait. I'm all about moisturizing. Like, I do it like so often every time I wash my hands, so now I can smell like pumpkin spice all the time. I know like the bath stuff will make you smell like it for a little bit, but this, you can like refresh your pumpkin spice scent. This is so awesome. I'm so happy. And then on the back it just says made in Canada, Small Batch Soaps, Hamilton, Ontario. Let's try a little bit of this out. Oh, I love it. Then the last thing we have in here is Pumpkin Spice Basic Bee Vegan Lip Balm. This is made from organic virgin coconut oil, pumpkin spice seasoning, and cinnamon essential oil. And on it, it says, "Hello, gorgeous. We make all natural small batch cosmetics by hand. We believe ingredients matter and source high quality, ethical, and locally as possible. We are proud to bring you plant-based beauty that is cruelty-free." Love lip balm. I have so many open right now, but I know I'm gonna use this one and keep it for myself. Oh man, everything smells so freaking good. I think that was everything. So that was everything that came in the box. Let's just do a quick recap. One thing I wish they provided like a sheet that talks more about each of the companies, since they are like small local businesses, and also gave pricing information. I always like knowing that in my box, but I think overall they did an amazing job curating this because everything smells so good and not like, well, I don't know if I've ever smelled like a bad pumpkin spice scent, but it all smells like authentic pumpkin spice, and these are all things I will definitely use, and I think this would make a great gift for a pumpkin spice lover. So again, you get the coffee body scrub and pumpkin spice latte. I'm gonna have to take a sniff every time I fold something up. We have the homemade pumpkin pies bubble bar, which I think is a bath bomb. Again, it smells so good and it's so cute. It looks just like pie. We have the pumpkin spice handmade soap. My personal favorite thing in the box, the pumpkin spice moisturizer. Oh my god, this is gonna go so fast. I'm so excited. I'm gonna like lather off in this after this video. And then the pumpkin spice basic vegan lip balm, which, so yeah. Between all of these, I could just be smelling like pumpkin spice all day long, and I'm happy with that. So I think this was a great box. It's a little expensive, but I love that it supports small companies, and it's just so well coordinated. Like I'm being repetitive, but I just seriously think this is great. So again, I am going to leave their website down below along with that promo code. Thank you again, Meraki Box, for sending me this box, and also for giving my subscribers that discount. That is awesome. So I will leave that all down below, like I've said so many times. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. It means the world to me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.